back at our walk again, and we're gonna try this again today. And she's ready to go. All right, ready? Let's go. I'll try to hold my coffee in the same hand as her leash. All right, let's do this. Let's go check it out. Come on. Oh, she's got to sniff all the posts right away. Okay, this is not the fun part. Okay, we're moving again. She had to unload. All right, let's go. Let's go, baby. It's the afternoon. It's like 6 in the afternoon. It's a little bit cooler now. There's a kid over there. She's looking at them. Okay, let's go. Let's go into the shade over there. Let's go for a little nature walk. No wind today, so it's going to be a nice, clear sound. I don't have to turn around just to smell everything. There's the washrooms. All right, let's go, Shelby. Let's go fun. Let's go fun. Let's go have some fun. Fun is not by the washrooms. Let's go. Hey, let's go for a walk. She wants to enjoy this little areas. Okay, we're gonna go this way. She is a little bit stubborn. She thinks it's her way. Always, she tries to. That's cool. She always tries to lead me. Yeah, she tries to lead me to where she wants to go. But we're gonna go in here where there's some shade. Right? We're starting to do the exercise thing. Exercise. We gotta get our slim doggy back, right? We gotta get our slimmy dog back. We gotta get slim dog back. Go in the front and we can videotape you. Okay, you're just gonna sniff the little. You're this far in. I wanna go to the water. Let's go to the water, Shelby. Let's go to the water and sit there. Then you can do whatever you want. Stay in one spot, sniff it, all that. All that good stuff. There's some bugs out here. Put on bug stuff. Alright, let's go. Let's go, baby pigs. Let's go, baby pigs. You guys sniff everything? Okay, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a serious walk. Shelby can do a serious walk. Yay! Let's run. Let's run. You wanna run? Wanna run? Come on, baby. Come on. She likes to chase sticks, but I haven't found one yet. You ready to get a stick? Beautiful nature. I love those little flowers. She stops me. There's the sun. Oh, she's listening to the kids. Okay, you got some mosquitoes all over you. Let's go. See, mosquitoes like you too. They do. Mosquitoes like you. It's not even hot out here. It was hot out there. Hey, come on, Shelby. Bugs. Come on, bugs. I'm gonna turn this off for a minute. Oh, she picked up the speed a little. Let's go. I'm spinning. We're almost there. You like sniffing everything? Smell? You hear the kids? See those kids out there? This is Shelby Day right now. Ooh, it doesn't look too good at all. Look at that. That's not look. It's so low. The water level is magnificently low. But you got pee there too? Wow, it's pretty low. Remember, you guys, when I came back, when I was here and I was recording, the water was coming through. Look at this, no water movement at all. This is scary. And it was raining yesterday. It was raining yesterday, and now look at it still. Okay. I guess there's no other bugs around here. I can just go be for I'm already getting attacked by mosquitoes. I'm already getting attacked by mosquitoes. You see one? I'm gonna get out of here. This is not a good day to do this. Well, that's sitting water. Means that's why the mosquitoes are here. Because of the sitting water. Okay, let's just go into a little bit more and see down the river. I'm gonna take some pictures of this too. There's a beer can. People, if you're gonna go drinking over here, make sure you pick up your garbage. But look it over that way. It's just still water now. It's not even really pouring. All the bugs. I'm going to shut it off now, and then I'm going to, I don't know if I'm going to record anymore, but we're just going to probably go to a different spot and chill there for a minute. I love that way that tree looks over there, but the mosquito biting me on back right now. Okay, I'm going to shut it off now. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. I was gonna do the long view a little bit for you guys. Show you guys the long view of this area here. Really cool to camp out here. If we're allowed. Here's the toad. I seen a toad last night. There was one after the rain. It came into the front of the front door. It was. Did you enjoy yourself? Shelby enjoying herself? Okay, let's go back, Shelby. Oh, the bugs. And the water. When I was a kid, I almost drowned once because I tried to catch one of those water bugs. You see them right there running around on the water? I tried to catch one and I fell in. Alright, let's go, Shelby. Let's go back. Come on, let's go back. Let's go back. We're gonna videotape this with the long view. Okay, and maybe I'll make this video tonight and show you guys a nice nature video with some music background on it. What are you doing? Okay, let's go. Let's go back because you don't even know what you're doing over there. Come on, let's go. All right, we're gonna videotape this nice park for you guys. Okay, let's go, baby. Let's go in the car. Go for a car ride. She likes car rides better than walks, but she needs to get walking. She used to love walks. Oh, there's a tree. You could camp under that, hiding and camping. Like hermit camping. Hermit camping. Oh, there comes the sun. Beautiful daisies. Or whatever they are. They're like little daisies. That's what they are to me. Alright, I haven't even had a coffee. I haven't even drank my coffee yet. What are those beautiful white flowers? And Shelby, she's like, I'm going for a walk. Okay, Skeeters. Get off my back. Okay, I'll turn it over for a minute. Come on. Mosquitoes are attacking me. Wait. Again. Oh, she's gonna pee again. Shirt's falling off too, right? Alright, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video today with me and went for walks with me. I'm a little disappointed in the water not being higher and more refreshing and stuff, but It's all good. Yes. Alright, I'm gonna shut off the camera and we're gonna head to the car. See all the bugs around me. I'm gonna head to the car and go back home. Alright. They're still trying to bug me. Okay, come on, Charlie. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. Have a great day, guys. I hope you guys get outside and enjoy the sun. Have a good day.